With Microsoft Outlook 2010's Quick Steps, we are able to automate some repetitive and common tasks. What I mean by this is we could create a template for an email with already the addressees and a subject line, and with one click of a button, it already is there. Likewise, if something is repetitive like forwarding emails to a specific person or team members, we can forward an email. We can even file things using these quick steps. So let's build a few. Now I will show you, I have a couple of quick steps that have already been built. I use these all the time. So one would be my a CIS group. If I click on this, it will open up an email, address it, have a CC line and a subject line started for me. So with one click of the button, it has my whole entire group along with who it goes to CC and a subject line. Just one quick click of a button. Likewise, I have two groups that I deal with, so if I need an email to go out to both groups, with one click of the button it sends it out to all of these folks. It saves me a boatload of time and it keeps me organized because, number one, I won't forget who to send it to. I won't drop a name off the list because they're already there on my list, and it's not trying to figure out, oh, which distribution list does this go out to? It's already addressed. Another one is I do use a distribution list. It's RDS committee, so somebody else maintains that, but I do have an email that is already addressed and has a subject line. I love these quick steps of building a brand new email with these quick one of a button. I also have one that will move emails to a specific folder. So I'm just going to select an email here that looks like it's a good one, and I'm going to click on the button and it says, hey, I've used this first. Do I want to move it to the folder? I say yes. And it immediately moves it into this U of W folder. I click on it and there it is. So you can see how quick these quick steps are. Now, let's go ahead and build some. So I'm going to create a new quick step. Again, there's a quick step to create a quick step, which is really cool. You just click on New. You name your quick step. So I'm just going to say, oh, perhaps demo. I'm going to choose my action, and there's a whole bunch of things I can do. I can move to a folder, copy a folder, delete the message, permanently delete the message. I do want to make it very clear that you need to be careful about permanently deleting messages. Always on the safe side. If you delete it, it goes to your trash bin, and then you can check later if you need it. But if you permanent delete it, that's it. Change the status. You can set an importance. You can mark a category. You can flag a message. You can create a task. So let's create a task, and with text of message perhaps. And I'm going to say finish. So now, here's my demo. It creates a task. And it has some nice information in there just from the email that I selected. No. All right, I'm going to go ahead, and I don't want to keep this. So what I do is just right click on this quick step and I can say delete. Let's create another one. This time, again, I'm going to just call it demo for demonstration purposes. This time I want to forward. So whatever I'm going to do, I'm going to forward messages, and I want to add an action, and I'm going to perhaps forward it with a set importance of high. And I'm going to say finish. Well, first I got to forward it to a person. And I'm actually going to cheat. I'm going to say myself, and I haven't tried this, so I'm going to just try it for demonstration purposes. I'm going to finish. So I've selected an email, and I'm going to click demo, and lo and behold, it's going to send to me with high importance, and I send it. And there it is. Kind of neat. These quick steps are very quick and easy. I can also, let me delete that one because I don't need it. I'm going to create one more, and this time I'll just leave it as that, the quick step. I'm going to create a meeting. Who does the meeting go to? So for example, if I already had a distribution list, I could do that. If I'm not too sure who it goes to, or I need to select from a list, I can do it using my global address. So I'm just going to select a few names. Okay. I'm going to show options. So I could put a subject line in here, meeting CIS group, where if it's the location is always in one place, importance, and some text. Please contact me regarding this meeting, perhaps. And I can add an action. Maybe I want to categorize this message as a meeting, and I say finish. So now when I click on New Meeting, it immediately opens up with the to line filled out, the subject line filled out, the location, and now I can choose start time, end time, and that. Since I don't need it, I'm going to say delete that. Now again, I've created some quick steps that I don't need. So I am going to right click on the ones I don't want. I can say delete, and also the demo, delete. There are some default ones that's reply and delete. So if I had an email that came in, I can immediately reply, but the original email would be deleted. Again, be careful when you're deleting things. Let's review. Quick Parts allows us to create multiple actions at the same time to email messages. It also allows us to manage our mailbox by moving emails to specific folders with one click of the button. It also allows us to automate tasks, like as in set up meetings and create tasks from email content. In short, Quick Parts allows us to speed up our life and stay organized. If you enjoyed this video, here are a few more that you might want to check out. Until then, I'm Lynn Mann. Be seeing you.